Alright, quick garden update. We had a big rain come through last night. It's 4:23. Um, Everything's doing real good. Blueberries, blackberries, nothing on there yet, but they're coming. We had our first casualty. A stick fall in the raised bed and break the top off of that pepper. That might actually be a good thing since we need to start doing some pruning. Strawberry. It's just a piece of a grapevine that I put some root magic on and dropped it in there, hoping to get it to root, and I'll move it somewhere else if it does. Peppers, tomatoes. Been complaining that my jalapenos hadn't come in yet, and they're just now. A little bit of green right there. So the jalapenos were the latest thing they've taken the longest to bloom or start to seed. But yeah, those are coming in, so that's exciting. All the little single tomato pots, I put those down there because it gets hot over here, and this is a raised bed too, so water evaporates really fast. So right now I am working on irrigation and water solutions. This is cilantro. Yep. So it's just now starting to get going. Got some other things seeding up top here. Just put some okra seeds in the ground too, or in pots as well. I was told okra will be highly productive. Tomato plants all the way around. But I put the cups down inside the wall of the bed because the plants will still get sun, but the cups themselves won't be in the sun, so they won't heat up and evaporate all the water in the cup. Trying to work really hard. This is rosemary, and that's doing really well. Trying to keep everything hydrated and happy. Get that out of there. Got a few more additions here, and again, that's the raised bed. A few more additions down here. Oh, that's new. Muscadine vine. So that has been in the pot that we bought it in, which was basically just a big giant root ball. It had been in there for a while. So we got a bigger pot for it, 16 inches at the top, and a lot more soil for it to have some room to grow, give it some nutrients. So it's off and going. We've used a tomato cage for the time being. We're gonna plant it in the yard somewhere. We just don't know exactly where. So at least for the first year, see what kind of conditions it likes. We're gonna grow it around this tomato cage. See what happens. We're gonna do that probably with the other Catawba. I think it's Catawba grapes. Oops, right there. We got a couple more pepper plants down there. That's a new addition. We got a sunshine blueberry plant. Big fans of the blueberry. Excess tomato plants everywhere. We put a lot of tomato seed in the ground, so we're probably not going to use all these. And some stuff seeding down here. I think that's okra. So far, birds have been all over my blueberries. It's kind of a bummer. Gonna have to figure something out with that. Came out last night. Oh, that stick that fell and destroyed that pepper. Also destroyed that lemon balm plant too, because this was like hanging out that way and it broke it. So yeah, storms. But there was earwigs all over this hanger last night, and when I mean all over, I mean all. There was probably about a dozen of them right here And there's damage here to this purple basil. Some of these other leaves have holes in them, and I'm wondering if that's the earwigs doing that or if it's because they got too dry. So we'll figure that out soon enough. But challenges of gardening. As you can see, a little something. I can't tell if that's just damage from it being dry or something's eating on it. Some holes there too. So yeah, good times. And it's April 23rd, 2014. So we'll check back in a day or so. We'll let you know how we're doing. Oh, also, can't believe I almost forgot this. Water barrels. So we have a bit of a water issue here at the house. And we're going to try and relocate some of that water into these barrels and then use these barrels as storage and to irrigate the garden. When I figured that out, and we're in the process of doing that now, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so that's what's going on. We'll see you in a day or so.